Hi guys, ako na po din. It's been a long time guys, but today, January 30, 2026, meron po tayong mainit-init na balita galing sa ating MWO Dubai about contract verification, and it's a good news guys para po sa atin. Isa pong way kung paano po tayo makakapag-verify ng ating mga kontrata. So ito nga po no, ang ating advisory na pinalabas ngayong January 30, 2026 lamang. Today po yan, no, advisory number 05 series of 2026 contract verification application through VFS po, Global Business Centers. I know na nakakarinig na po kayo ng mga bali-balita na magkakaroon na nga po ng partnership ang ating MWO Dubai at ang ating VFS Global Business Centers. Ang VFS po, ito po yung kung saan po tayo pumupunta para po kumuha ng mga visa kapag po tayo ay gustong mag-travel ng ibang mga bansa doon po sa hindi po pamilyar. So we informed the public that the Department of Migrant Workers through the MWO Office Dubai has partnered with VFS Global in improving employment contract verification and to provide an additional option for balik manggagawa OFWs working in Dubai and Northern Emirates to process their employment contract verification. Take note po, ito lamang po muna ay applicable para po sa lahat ng may mga visa holders under ng MWO Dubai, which are Dubai visas and Northern Emirates visa holders. Hindi po kasali dito ang may mga Abu Dhabi at Al Ain visa. MWO Dubai and VFS Global will start a 30-day test period on contract verification application through VFS Global on January 29, 2026. So nag-start na po yan kahapon. Test run pa lang po ito for 30 days. At in this process, workers may process their contract verification application in VFS Global Business Centers near them and receive their verified documents and OEC in their DMW portal account. Workers will not be charged convenience fees by the VFS Global during the test period. So from January 29 hanggang March 1 po yan, no? Or should I say February 28, magkakaroon ng test period. So pwede po tayong pumunta sa ating mga VFS Global Centers na malapit po sa atin. Pero take note, ang ating po mga verified documents at OEC ay makukuha pa rin po sa ating mga DMW portal account. At ang napakahalaga, wala pong convenience fee na ita-charge ang VFS during the test period. For those OFWs who wish to visit VFS Global to submit their contract verification application, they have to follow the following steps. Napakahalaga po ang 4 na steps na ito. Una, book an appointment with VFS Global using the link. So yung link na po yan. At ang memo naman pong ito, or advisory na pong ito ay available sa ating MWO Dubai official website at sa kanilang official Facebook page. Pangalawa, visit VFS Global on the appointment date and submit the contract verification requirements. So, yung link na nilagay po dyan ay yung link po ng listahan ng mga requirements for contract verification. Pangatlo, wait for 3 working days for the applications to be processed. Workers will be notified through email in case of incomplete submissions, and they may simply upload the lacking documents online using their DMW portal account. Workers will also see the progress of their application in the portal, which is a very good news kasi titingnan mo na lamang po online sa inyong mga DMW portal account kung ano na nga po pa ang mga status ng inyong aplikasyon through the VFS Global. Pang-4, receive the application result within 3 working days and print the verified contract and OEC if the application is approved. Please note that VFS process is an additional contract verification option for OFWs. Currently, the following options are available to OFWs in Dubai and Northern Emirates with regards to contract verification. Manual verification by visiting MWO Dubai 1 working day before flight is still ongoing. Process contract verification through online or online contract verification is still ongoing. At process contract verification at VFS Global Services is on a test period nowadays. So this is for public information at para po sa ating kaalaman lahat na tatlo na po ang ating options sa pagpapa-contract verification. Una, pwede pong mag-walk-in mismo sa MWO Dubai one day before your flight, or kung inyong mga flight ay weekend or Monday, the nearest Thursday or Friday pwede pong pumunta. Pangalawa, andyan pa rin po ang ating online contract verification. At ang pangatlo naman po ay ang ating contract verification through the VFS Global. Again, ang advisory pong ito ay available sa ating website, sa ating mwodubai.org official website, at sa Migrant Workers Office or MWO Dubai official Facebook page. So yan po, napakagandang balita po para sa ating mga OFWs, para sa pagpapa-verify ng contract, kasi may tatlong option na po tayo sa pagpapa-verify ng contract. Hindi na po hassle po para sa atin. At kung kayo naman po ay malapit sa mga VFS Global Centers at may plano pong umuwi next month or the following month, please take advantage of the 30 days test period po sa VFS Global, kasi wala pa pong babayaran na convenience fee for 1 month, kasi test run pa lang po ito. And I'm sure na magiging effective din po ito, kasi nga sa ating mga DMW portal naman po kukunin ang ating mga verified contracts at OEC, at ang status po ng ating mga aplikasyon ay makikita din po sa ating mga portal, which is also very good for me. So please share this video guys para po sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan, especially po doon sa may mga papalapit na flights or balak po magbakasyon sa Pilipinas. So yun lamang po. God bless everybody.